This is the best Monday ever. We have a stop loss on GBPN, and right now it's pushing down. Here we can see the trade. There was the entry and it came all the way down and hit my stop loss. Assalamualaikum family, hope you're all doing well. Let's have a good start of the week. Well, it's not a good start of the week because I already have a stop loss on GBPJPY. Let's talk about that. अगर आपने पुराना ब्लॉग नहीं देखा जहाँ मैं FTMO challenge पास कर देता हूँ, you must go and watch that blog before you come to this one. So let's go to the charts and the news. Today on Monday we have FOMC members wallet speaks. On Tuesday we have claimant count change that is coming less, so that is a positive sign for the economy. GBP earnings index that is coming less, this is negative. German economic sentiment that is positive. CPI of CAD, trimmer, common and the median is coming same, 2.3, 2.4. The only one that can be a little bit up is going to be common CPI yearly that is coming 0.1% in positives. It's a good negative sign. We have Empire State Manufacturing Index on USD that is coming less, which is a negative reaction, and we have NSD CPI that is coming more. So the all against NSD is going up, GBP NSD is going up, NSD versus CAD is going down. We're gonna see it later in the charts. On Wednesday, we have CPI yearly that is coming less for GBP, so they are cutting 0.3%, and it's going to be a positive sign for the GBP economy, for the pound, and probably have a bullish reaction. But it's still bearish in the 4-hour and daily candles. We have SEP President Lagarde speaks, important for Euro, and on Thursday we have an employment change and unemployment rate. The unemployment change is better because it's less, and the employment rate is remaining the same, 4.2%. The Euro are cutting the interest rate is a good sign. In the short term is negative, but in the long term is positive. That is what I consider. USD core retail sales monthly is coming same. Retail sales monthly that is coming positive, 0.3, 0.2% profit. Well, profit, sorry, 0.2% better than the previous one. And we have unemployment claim that is coming better, 241K in comparison or 258K of the last week. Philly Fed Manufacturing Index is coming positive sign. And then we go on Friday, GBP retail sales monthly that is coming less, minus 0.3%, and building permits that is coming 1.41 million in comparison to 148 million that is coming less. So we can see in the long term that USD is still very bullish, and all the pairs against USD are very obviously bearish. NSD is still bearish, okay, against something, but GBP NSD can be. So let's take a look of what can be happen this week on the charts.
एक दफा देख लो कि स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड हो रही है ना हो कि दोबारा मुझे दोबारा रिपीट करना पड़े.
DKSY is completing our target that I already marked in the past vlog. We are having right now the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour candle just started. USD CAD is still very bullish. There is no giving any chance to take a buys. USD CHF could give us on Thursday, and on Friday this big opportunity. GBP NSD, as I already told you, we probably have a bullish reaction. Here is the beginning of this is on Friday, and if we could take that trade, it could give us our profit, but I am not in that trade. EURAUD last week on Friday, we have this opportunity to take a buy, and in the beginning of the day, we have this big candle try to reach our profit, but the ratio 1:1. It could give us the ratio 1:1, but right now it's again in our entry level. So should we take a trade on this pair? Should we not? Let's see, because all depends on the are cutting interest rate, and मैंने already बोला कि they are cutting interest and it's totally different. The rate cut they are cutting right now in 2024 in comparison or 2020, 2016, 2015, because the data that we have right now, it's totally different in comparison with the previous years. उस वक्त का data different था, अब का data different है, and we have to take care of it. But we will be taking a look right over here, these two areas. EuroCAD, nothing. Well, we can take a look right over here in case of something happen. This could be a good trade. Yeah, NSD CAD, this is the area that I marked last week and probably is hitting right now from the entry level.
Okay, let's maintain it till if something happened, I would take an entry in the personal account. Happy because DXY is reaching our point, but there is nothing clear. I'll just take in trades on GBP yen. Okay, currently I am in the FTMO challenge. I am minus 1.40. Don't worry about that. I am still very focused. Try to follow the strategy, have a stop loss. Okay, don't worry. Next day it's gonna be a better day. Let's go for more profit and let's see how this week ends.
Hello family, hope you are well. Yesterday I didn't have any trade, but today I just broke my trust. In the beginning of the day I have this stop loss on GBP yen. I got up for the CPI that came worse than expected, and I was expecting having a bounce, but I have a couple of trades on buys on GBP yen. You guys can see the loss. It was 2% and really disturbed me this trade because I didn't follow my plan. I just failed myself. Here is the losses, the total loss of today, 16th of October. Last video, the past vlog, I told myself that the real struggle gonna come out when I have the real account, and I am having it. Obviously I'm just having a very deep fight against myself, trying to put more trade because I was so sure that this trade has to go up, and I was not seeing the chance that it can go down because CPI came worse than ever and it's negative for the currency, and that has to go down. And when you think back, then is when you realize the mistake that you made. बट जब आप उसके अंदर होते हो तो आपको ये नज़र नहीं आता कि आपने मिस्टेक की है, और आप ये मानना भी नहीं चाहते कि आपने मिस्टेक की है. और ट्रेडिंग में अगर आप मिस्टेक नहीं मानते तो आपके लॉसेस पैसों के साथ होती है. Something that I always regret of myself is when I take a trade or go against my analysis, I always feel like very depressed, very sad, and I am not accepting that I lose because of the decision I took. And in this case, I know this decision that I took, I know where I fail, I know what I have to fix, I know what I should do next time. आपसे कोई गलती नहीं होगी. आपने देख लिया कि जब गलतियाँ करते हो भुगतना पड़ता है ट्रेडिंग में, और भुगतना कैसे पड़ता है पैसों के साथ.
What's going on, family? Hope you are all well. Today we are facing a very important day because we just have the interest rate of euro, and it's look like the trade of GBP yen is going to hit stop loss, and it's really going to hurt my feelings. Yes. And it just hit stop loss. Unfortunately, yeah, it touched my stop loss. So we are having another stop loss in our FTMO challenge. Here is the current balance of the account. It's very, very bad. So in the starting, we have a good risk management the first day, the third day. And yesterday it was the worst ever, I just told you. And right now we have another stop loss. So we are willing to have good trades, but sometimes it happen on trading. minus 5.70% in our FTMO challenge, but everything will be okay. I will try to still having a good risk management. जब आप पागलपना करते हो जैसे हमने कल किया था, लेकिन regret कोई नहीं है, तो ये होता है, ठीक है. Let's gonna see how is going to be the news in 9 minutes, and let's go for more profits. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The core retails came better. The initial jobless came same as we expected. So it's a good sign for USD. And we have a bearish momentum on, look at that, GBP yen going wildly up. This is what I really say when something really fucked. Good news for USD, and GBP yen is going wildly up. So yeah, unfortunately it hit our stop loss 10 minutes before, and right now we are just suffering what we say this trade. But yeah, This is what we call trading. What's going on, family? Hope you are well. Final day of the week. Let's talk about what happened to my funding account, the mistake that I made, how I'm going to get it better, and how we're gonna recover from this drawdown, because we are half away from burning this account. That means we are minus 5%. So let's take a look of it. I was having a good start of the week. Just have the we have minus 0 point. In case of this, would be another minus 1 point, minus 0.5, sorry, and there will be minus 4. That would mean minus 1.5%. Okay, and we are the double or triple. Yeah, we are almost. Yeah, this is almost minus 4%. Okay, so we are right now in the account is 9,509. We are taking trades, risking 0.5%. It only take us five good trades to be in break even. We have to trust in our strategy, because I have been doing the back test since very long time. The strategy works, but this doesn't work when you do a bullshit in the market. On Twitter, GBP says financial market are starting to price in a Trump win and possible Republican sweep. So this is a very good sign. Israel Ion senior officer, there will be action against Iran very soon. Kit Jacket, Chief FXC Strategies Society General, examining the prospect of the euro sliding to parity with the US dollar as the currency is on track for the third straight week of losses against the greenback. That is totally true. Let's take a look of it right now. Before taking you to the charts, let's see the news of today. We have CPI or GBPY that came much higher than the forecast. So this is a negative side for GBPY. We have news for core retails of GBP that came better than we expected, and the reaction was really bullish. We have housing starts that came better than we expected, and the previous one was revised from 1.356 and the currently 1.361. So this was a good sign, we can say. If the parity of euro versus dollar happen, it's going to be very, very worst for all the Eurozone. It happened once. I hope it doesn't happen twice. Let's take a look at what is happening right now. DXY is breaking this resistance that we have right over here. Right now it's coming lower. GBP USD right now is having a bullish momentum when DXY is coming down. GBP NSD, it give us a couple of entries right over here, but I only take this trade in my personal account. Gold just hit all-time highs again in 2,717.27. This is amazing. If the war continues, we will still can be looking for higher prices. I didn't want to, मेरा दिल नहीं था बिल्कुल ये वीडियो अपलोड करने के लिए, लेकिन मैं अपना प्रोसेस दिखा रहा हूँ कैसे एक नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडर कोशिश कर रहा है कि प्रॉफिटेबल बने. कौन सी मिस्टेक बंदा इंसान करता है ताकि वो जो चीज़ें कर रहा है वो दोबारा ना हो. लेकिन एक इंसान ऐसी चीज़ है कि वो दोबारा पत्थर में गिरता जाता है जब तक वो लेसन सही तरह समझे ना. लेट द स्ट्रेटजी वर्क, डोंट टच एनीथिंग, एंड जब होना होगा टीपी हो जाएगा, जब स्टॉप लॉस होना होगा हो जाएगा, जब ब्रेक इवन होना होगा हो जाएगा. लेकिन जब हम उंगली देंगे स्ट्रेटजी को मॉडिफाई करने की कोशिश करेंगे, उधर मिस्टेक्स आती हैं या आप मिक्स करते हो स्ट्रेटजी. अभी मैंने छोटे ग्राफ में बनाया ताकि ये हमेशा याद कर सकूं कि आप मार्केट से बेहतर नहीं हो. मार्केट के सामने पंगा भी नहीं लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब मार्केट आपकी लेता है तो सही तरह लेता है. See you guys in the next vlog. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Don't forget to join the family. Thank you so much if you do, and see you in the next one. Let's go for more profits. Bye bye.